Dear students, this is Dev's Academy. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Today I have bring for you the third part of the easily solved numericals on electricity. Physics, this is for class 10. You can very easily solve all your electrical problems with this. That is for the 3 consecutive days, I have done 3 videos to help you. Please adopt these things. Electrical power and its expression. Electrical power is P equal to W by T equal to V into I. V is volt, W is work done or energy, and T is time, I is ampere, that is current. Electrical power is the rate at which electrical energy is supplied by the source. If a source of potential difference V is sent a current I for time t in a resistance R, the charge passed Q equal to I into T. I is current and T is time. And the energy supplied by the source W. Energy means work done. W equal to Q into V. Q is charge and V is volt, potential difference. Therefore, power, we know that power equal to energy by time. That is energy supplied, that is work done, W equal to Q into V, and time Q into V by T. That is Q equal to, Q means charge, equal to I into T. I is charge and T is time. I ampere actually. I ampere current. And P equal to V I T by T, that is V into I. T will be cancelled out and it will be V into I. V is the potential difference, I is the current. Now by Ohm's law we know that I equal to V by R, therefore P equal to V square by R. Therefore V equal to IR. V means potential difference, voltage. Therefore P equal to I square R, I R whole square by R square, that is I square by I. For electrical energy is P equal to W by T equal to V into I equal to V square by R equal to I square R. Now if V equal to 1 volt and I equal to 1 ampere, P equal to V into I, that is 1 volt into 1 ampere equal to 1 watt. Remember, the unit of power is watt. Now electrical energy W, energy means work done, W equal to power into time, W equal to P into time. Very easily you can solve all your, only you have to go through the question properly, or the problem you have to understand what they have given. The electrical energy equal to watt into second. Watt hour or 1 watt hour equal to 1 watt into 1 hour. 1 watt into 1 hour equal to 3600 joule. 1 kilowatt hour equal to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. Again see that P equal to V square by R. P equal to V square by R. V square by R. Or R equal to V square by P, that is voltage rating on the appliance by power rating on the appliance. And I is the current equal to P by V, that is set current, which is known as set current. Set current equal to power rating on the appliance by voltage rating on the appliance. Next, heating effect of current. Heat produced, H equal to current passing equal to I. Heat produced is H. H is in calorie or joule it will be, and resistance of the wire or time for which the current passed in the wire equal to T. Then H varies as I square RT. Joule, it will be in joule. Or H is equal to 0.24 I square RT calorie. And electrical energy consumed, E in kWh is equal to, that is power, electrical energy consumed, E in equal to power in kilowatt into time, because power into time equal to energy. The power in watt and time in hour by 1000. Because why it is 1000? Because it was in kilowatt, by here it is watt. 1000 watt equal to 1 kilowatt. That is V into I into T. V is volt, I is ampere, and T is hours by 1000. Here is given one circle relating watt, volt, ampere, and potential difference, that is in ohms. You can easily solve by going through the problem properly, understanding the question, then put the proper formula to solve the question. This is given in this circle. One example is also given. A refrigerator is marked 80 watt and 220 volt. How much energy does it consume in one day? If on average it is used to 20 hours in a day. We have P equal to power equal to W watt, P 80 watt, P equal to 80 watt, V equal to 220 volt, and time is 20 hours. We know that energy used equal to P into T equal to 80 into 20 watt hour. In kilowatt it will be 1.6 kilowatt hour. Remember these things and try to understand your question properly, what the question has supplied you and what you have to find out. Then put the formula and solve the question. That's all today. You must subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. That's all today.